have always been an advocate of thinking outside the box and being creative when it comes to helping residents achieve their short-term and long-term goals. We have found that Restore Skills does just that.
It could be used in all three, cognition-wise, and then standing endurance and tolerance.
Easy to set up and get going, and everybody catches on pretty quick with how to use it. So keep your mind occupied, give you something entertaining to do, and something to do with your friends. We played for several hours yesterday, so they like playing.
So we can put weights on them and they'd be able to move the ball back and forth to help strengthen their arms. They will stand up for longer periods of time, so that helps with leg strengthening and then standing endurance.
Just stay more engaged, and they don't realize they're doing more with their arms and getting a bigger range of motion. They're just doing it, and it's very encouraging to see them be able to do all that.
Well, it helps with your focus, your determination, because you're actually focused and trying to get the higher score and trying to beat the opponent.
They keep it fun and entertainment.
Give them the opportunity to actually do something with their family versus just talking to them over the phone or seeing them on the iPad. You'll actually get them to interact with their family. And I think it'll be more interesting for them and to keep everybody engaged.